Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for best PC cases? No, look further, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of top 5 PC cases, exploring the top 5 contenders that are turning heads in 2024. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, finding the perfect case is crucial for both performance and aesthetics. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check link in the description below. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. LIAN PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition PC Case. The LIAN PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition PC Case is an ADX mid-tower case that perfectly combines style and function. LIAN has customized its incredibly popular PC011 dynamic case to please fans of Razer gaming peripherals. The case features a dual-chamber chassis design and front and side tempered glass for a modern, sleek look. The LIAN PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition fully supports the Razer Synapse 3 RGB ecosystem to sync up case lights with Razer keyboards, mice, and headsets. The LIAN 011 Dynamic PC case has become so popular that the company has created numerous variations of the ADX mid-tower case, including the Razer Edition. Looking at the case for the first time, it's obvious that LIAN is targeting PC builders who can't get enough of peeking inside their rigs. The PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition has two black-tinted tempered glass windows that bolt securely to the steel sides of the case. Nothing is more annoying than side panels that refuse to line up properly with a frame. Thankfully, removing and securing these glass panels is frustration-free. Of course, the advantage of the LIAN PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition is that it's already compatible with one of the most popular RGB lighting ecosystems used in Razer mice, keyboards, and headsets. The case does not include any pre-installed fans, but there are 3 sets of lights running throughout the case with 86 LEDs configurable in the Razer Synapse software. More RGB components are easily added to the built-in RGB controller. While somewhat pricey for a mid-tower PC case, the LIAN PC011 Dynamic Razer Edition makes a bold statement on desks, and its flexible configuration makes it the best PC case available. Number 2. Thermaltake Versa H15. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is an excellent option for new PC builders or gamers assembling a compact, power-efficient rig. The Versa H18 is a micro ADX case with an acrylic side window allowing a clear view into the most impressive builds. The mesh front panel maintains an efficient airflow, and the cable routing gap makes hiding unsightly cables behind motherboards simple. Hidden drive bays have room enough for two 2.5 inches and two 3.5 inches storage devices. When a gamer is assembling their first rig, they probably won't budget for a PC case that costs several $100s. Fortunately, if they are using the micro ADX form factor, there are several options that still leave plenty of cash for CPUs, graphic cards, and hard drives. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is a case that offers more than a sufficient amount of space for components, and a transparent side window gives the case a more premium look. The mesh panel on the front of the case is all about keeping a healthy airflow going in and out of the case, with one 120mm fan already installed at the rear. Number 3. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ADX case with easy cable management and exceptional cooling. A steel front panel with triangular cutouts offers optimal airflow to components, accompanied by 2 included 120mm air guide fans designed with anti-vortex vanes that enhance cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it effortless to route major cables through a single channel, with 25mm of routing depth. An excellent mid-range PC case combines functionality, looks, and price altogether to give gamers an option that works great, looks fantastic, and won't break the bank. The Corsair 4000D Airflow accomplishes those specs perfectly. This mid-tower case looks amazing, and thanks to its mesh front panel, the cooling performance gamers can get out of it is absolutely fantastic. When compared to closed panel cases, the 4000D fans can run slower and quieter but still get better cooling results. Inside the PC case, there is plenty of room for most configurations to fit comfortably. Plus, there is a pre-routed cable tray behind the motherboard to make cable management so much easier. For those people wanting to go with an AIO cooling or water cooling setup, the front panel can accommodate a 360mm radiator, and the top can fit a 280mm radiator. It is worth noting that the top mount does get a little tight, especially with those motherboards that have large heat sinks. Number 4. Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB. The Corsair iCUE 7000X is a full tower ATX case that delivers on the features, style, and expansion options demanded from the best cases on the market. More than 50% larger than the typical mid-tower case, the iCUE 7000X has enough real estate for 12 120mm fans and 3 360mm radiators for liquid cooling systems. The ability to add 4 2.5 inches SSDs or 6 3.5 inches hard drives gives users enough storage space for years. The case also includes the Commander Core XT controller module to coordinate the iCUE-compatible lighting effects of the 4 included RGB fans. If a gamer wants a high-end PC case that complements their top-tier rig, the Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB checks all the boxes for premium construction and nearly unlimited expandability. The 7000X is a full tower case that stands almost 2 feet tall with a depth of 21.65 inches, so buyers will need quite a bit of space set aside on or underneath their desks to accommodate it. Of course, the advantage of a case this large is that a PC builder has nearly unlimited options for storage and cooling. Looking beyond the massive interior of the case, the 7000X is also a beautiful behemoth to gaze at. With 3 tempered glass panels and 4 iCUE-compatible RGB fans pre-installed. Number 5. Fractal Design Terra. Terra is a PC case designed and engineered to reshape the small form factor gaming experience. It includes a PCIe 4.0 Razer cable and features a stepless, slidable central wall for build flexibility, providing space for a powerful GPU up to 322mm long. Terra incorporates boutique design features such as thick panels cut from anodized aluminum, CNC milled details, and FSC-certified solid walnut. Small form factor PC cases typically can't keep up with the ever-increasing cooling needs that PC components need. But with the Fractal Design Terra, this isn't as much of a concern. At 10.4 liters, this tiny case can support most modern GPUs. The central wall separating the GPU and motherboard can be moved by 30mm to create the perfect balance between CPU cooler space and enough room to fit a powerful GPU. In a sea of black PC cases with RGB lighting, the Terra really stands out, with a solid chunk of walnut for the base and 3 colorways that would look excellent on any desk. This is easily one of the prettiest PC cases out there. Not to mention, it is a joy to build in. The top, left, and right panels all fully come off to give users easy access to their components. PC builders with big hands that have tried to build in a small form factor case that doesn't offer this know how much of a pain installing everything can be. This design solves that issue. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best PC cases in 2024. Whether you prioritize airflow, aesthetics, or a combination of both, there's a case on this list for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check link in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy building!